In Trafft, the default time slot applies to all time settings within the application. For instance, when configuring the duration of your services, the available time slot will be determined by the default time slot step. By default, Trafft sets this time slot to 30 minutes, but you have the flexibility to adjust it to a smaller or larger time frame. To make this adjustment, navigate to the General Settings page. Use the drop-down menu at the top of the page to select your preferred time frame. For example, if you set it to 45 minutes and then proceed to set the duration of your service, you'll observe that the offered time slots have now changed based on the default time slot step you selected under Appointment Settings.